Orcas are often described as majestic, bold, brave, courageous, fierce, social, smart, and kind. They are respected for their grace, beauty, and importance. Orcas are called killer whales because they kill whales. Fishermen would witness orcas killing whales and call them whale killers. The term was later flipped to killer whales. But which term should be used? Orca or killer whale? Many people think orca should be used because killer whale sounds too evil.
Orcas have one of the largest brains of all animals, making them very intelligent. Their cleverness also makes it easier to get food. They eat a variety of animals, small and big.
A lot of the different populations eat different things. Some of them concentrate on seals. Some of them eat, like around here, they may go after otters, they go after squid, they go after like elephant seals. They've even seen them go after sharks in some video recently.
Orcas also can eat salmon, seagulls, shrimp, lobsters, and many more. The orcas trap seagulls by spitting fish onto the surface of the water as something to lure the birds. Smart!
Unfortunately, they are dying out because there is less and less prey due to climate change.
When the temperature changes in areas, it changes the amount of fish that are in an area or what fish are there. Some fish have to move more north because they have to stay within a specific temperature range. And temperature ranges in the ocean also cause what you can also almost think of as doorways, where the change in the temperature can change the amount of oxygen that's in the water. So fish have to move, and suddenly fish who usually swim from one part of the ocean to the other can't do that because the temperature change has made sort of a block in the way of getting there. So it really affects what prey they might have around them. So they can end up being hungry.
Even though scientists still don't know enough about these amazing creatures, they've counted them as an animal in need of protection. But we do know that another reason the number of orcas is decreasing is because of pollution caused by humans.
They're what's called an apex predator. Now they're at the top of the food chain. And so that means that when there is pollution or chemicals that are in the chain, it starts at the bottom up through the food web. And every time you go up in the food web, the amount of pollution multiplies. So the amount of chemical that was in a fish that's eaten by a seal, now the seal has its own pollution plus what it ate from the fish. So when it goes up to the orca, not only are they getting pollution, but everything they ate and what it ate before is getting into their bodies. There's a case of a whale that was stranded and she died, and they found that they look at how many parts per million of PCBs or persistent, chemicals are in her blubber. Now, normally there's between, say, 37 parts per million, but in hers she had over 1,000.
Still, every person, including you, can help protect orcas.
For example, stop using plastic. Instead, always bring a reusable grocery bag. Use a reliable source to make sure your fish is sustainable.
Orcas really are a natural wonder. They are intelligent animals in need of protection.
We just have to work one by one to try and figure out what sources there are that we can stop.